안녕하십니까? 저는 스기타 교시입니다. It was right after I had attended to the previous Busan International Film Festival when I started filming this movie, Following the Sun. Thanks to the time I had talking with many of the audience and feeling so fulfilled, I could raise my spirit for the upcoming new film to make. I'm feeling honored and happy from bottom of my heart that the work is going to be screened at BIFF. Each of the main characters in this film has lost someone important in the past. The depth of sorrow for the loss is unfathomable, even to the person herself or himself. I also feel the intangible depths of someone who turns the camera to them. The piece is my answer to a question. What can a movie do on such an occasion? Please enjoy the movie. 감사합니다.